Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get unlimited storage on Google Drive. Well, almost unlimited. I'll walk you through options for increasing storage and a few tricks to maximize your space on Google Drive. So let's jump right in. First of all, let's start by clarifying that personal Google Drive accounts don't offer unlimited storage by default. However, Google provides Google One plans which allow you to buy more storage starting from 100 gigabytes all the way up to 2 terabytes and beyond. Head over to Google Drive page, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Manage Google Account and then go to Payment and Subscription. You'll see here the different storage plans offered by Google One. If you're looking for unlimited or large storage, another option is to use Google Workspace. This is typically available for businesses, schools, or organizations. Just go to Google Workspace by visiting workspace.google.com. Google Workspace offers higher tier plans that allows you to store up to 5 terabytes or even unlimited storage for users in organizations. To get unlimited storage, you may need to talk to your organization's administrator or set up your own Google Workspace account. Let's look at a few tricks to maximize the space on your current Google Drive. First one is to store photos in high quality mode instead of original quality. High quality mode is free and doesn't count against your drive storage. Second thing is to use tools like Duplicate File Finder to remove duplicate files from Google Drive. And the third option is to clear trash. Your Google Drive trash can also take up space, so make sure to regularly empty your trash to free up more storage. Lastly, for additional free storage, you can use external tools like Dropbox, OneDrive, or external hard drives to offload larger files, especially media, and only keep essential documents in Google Drive. And that's it for today. Now you know your options for getting more space on Google Drive and how to use your storage wisely. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips, tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.